Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning about Maven. What is Maven? Maven is a Java open source build technology with quality gates that ensures that the test cases are passed before a build is made. Maven, in simple terms, creates deployable packages for clients to understand. What is unit testing? Unit testing is when developers write corresponding test cases for individual lines or components of code, ensuring that the code runs smoothly. Types of softwares. We have the open source. Open source softwares are free, including their source code. Examples of them include Maven. Free soft Free softwares are made available to users free of charge, excluding their source code. Number three are licensed softwares, which are paid by users excluding their source code. An example of this is Microsoft Office. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.